Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play a cat game. To begin, you will typically create your first virtual feline companion. You'll learn the fundamental controls, often involving simple taps or swipes, to interact with your new pet. Your initial tasks usually involve feeding your cat once, giving it water, and perhaps playing with one toy. Completing these first few steps will earn you some starting coins and experience points, setting you up for future adventures. Keeping your virtual cat healthy and content is crucial for progression. Remember to feed your cat at least 2 times a day and ensure its water bowl is always full. Playtime is also essential. Spend about 15 minutes daily using different toys to boost its happiness and energy levels. Don't forget to groom your cat once every 2 days to maintain its hygiene and prevent any virtual ailments. These actions will strengthen your bond and unlock new interactions. As you continue playing, you will unlock exciting new features. Reach level 5 to access new environments, like a cozy garden or a bustling city park, offering fresh activities. Participate in daily minigames, such as a fishing challenge or a mouse chase, to earn bonus rewards. Keep an eye out for special weekly events that offer exclusive items and rare achievements. Collecting all 25 unique cat breeds can be a fun long-term goal. To truly master your cat game, consider optimizing your daily routine. For instance, complete all 3 daily quests to maximize your coin earnings and experience points. Engaging with the game's community can also provide valuable insights and new friends. Many players share their best strategies online. Don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches, whether focusing on collecting rare items or simply enjoying the companionship of your virtual pet. The most important thing is to have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.